Here I have CAT S41 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's enable the following bar twice and let's choose Do Not Disturb. So here you have to choose, for example, total silence. So this blocks all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games, but of course you still be able to make phone calls. You can choose also priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except from the alarms, reminders and other specified rules, or you may choose the alarms only, so you can allow alarms. You can also choose the time when the Do Not Disturb will be switched on. You can, for example, choose for an hour, for 2 hours or for another period of time, or you can select until you turn it off right here. So in my case, let me choose until I turn it off. Let's tap done, and that's it. As you can see, the Do Not Disturb is activated. If you would like to see the settings of Do Not Disturb, let's tap apps icon, choose settings, and you can find Do Not Disturb under sound right here. It's under device tab and choose sound. Here you can find Do Not Disturb, and as you can see, here you can choose the priority only allows, and you can, for example, handle with reminders, events, repeat callers. What's more, you can also choose messages and calls and make some exceptions if you would like to. Let's go back. You can also choose some automatic rules, so you can, for example, switch on Do Not Disturb automatically every weekend, every weeknight or every event. You can also add some other rule. If you would like to, you can also block visual disturbance. And that's it. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use upper bar twice, tap alarms only again, and now you are free of Do Not Disturb. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.